this protocol that I built also has a JDBC driver. So Omni can now be queried through JDBC, which means you can query it from a whole host of other applications. This is called DBeaver. It's just like a Java-based database explorer tool that I've downloaded on my laptop. So I, very similarly created this connection to my sandbox instance. Here, I'll just kind of start from the beginning. So I disconnect, I connect, it goes out, it scans the information schema, it finds, currently I'm just showing topics here. I think structurally that is kind of the most interesting form of this, though we have flexibility if we want to do more. It finds the order items topic. I can get like a preview of that topic. Where is that? Oh yeah, here you go. So here's all of the fields that are accessible through that topic. And then I can actually, just like I showed before, I can go run a query. And since that query was already cached, because this will take advantage of our cache, came back super fast. And yeah, now I can use this from that tool as well. Whole lot of other tools out there support JDBC and also obviously this Python driver. So it really opens us up to really making our semantic layer portable across a lot of other places. So yeah, a lot of cool possibilities here. And yeah, I'm planning to get this out behind a feature flag next week, so it's not far off.